Think your job is safe from AI? Think again. In the next 3 to 5 years, millions of jobs will vanish, not because of human error, but because machines are finally smart enough to replace us. And it's already happening. From content writing to customer service, coding to truck driving, AI is quietly taking over. If your job is repetitive, rule-based, or data-driven, it's already at risk. Tools like ChatGPT now write better than most writers. Midjourney and DALL-E are replacing graphic designers. AI voice bots are handling calls in major companies. Self-driving trucks are being tested on highways. This is not science fiction. It's the new reality. In fact, over 300 million jobs worldwide could be affected by AI and automation, according to major research. Just look around. Wendy's is testing AI-powered drive-thrus. Amazon warehouses are run by robots. AI is reviewing legal documents faster than trained lawyers. Entire news articles are now written by bots. This isn't just another wave of automation like we saw in the factories. This time it's intellectual jobs, creative jobs, even white-collar jobs. And it's not slowing down. AI works faster than you. It never sleeps. It keeps improving. Every single day. But here's the truth. You don't have to be replaced. You have to evolve. The real threat isn't AI. It's people who learn how to use AI better than you. So what can you do? Learn prompt engineering. Master AI tools in your field. Focus on what AI can't do. Emotional intelligence, creativity, leadership, strategic thinking. Stay curious. Stay adaptable. The question is no longer, will AI take your job? The real question is, will you take control before it does? Because in this new world, you're either replaced by AI or powered by it. Your move.